Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2024. Ayan, so if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Sag, what's coming to you ngayong July 2024 para sa mga Sagittarius. What is your overall energy for the month of July? You have the Eight of Swords. Merong frustration, anxiety, feeling trapped, feeling limited. Baka meron kayong mga gustong gawin, sabihin, hindi niyo masabi, 'di ba? Um, yan for some of you, nasa isip niyo lang yung limitation na yan. But iniisip nyo na hindi nyo kaya kasi pwedeng may takot, no? You are fearing something. You may be frustrated sa isang tao na walang ibang ginawa kundi punahin ka. Ang dami niyang opinion sa'yo. Let's see your challenge. You have the Page of Swords. So, yung challenge nyo is kung paano kayo mas magiging straightforward sa totoong naiisip ninyo. Kasi minsan, naabuso tayo ng iba kasi hindi tayo lumalaban, hindi tayo nagsasalita. No? So, if there are some people who are trying to bully you, then speak up. No? Laban. What is your opportunity? The King of Wands. Yes, speaking of laban. Lalaban si King of Wands. So, this is having more wisdom. Maaring meron kang opportunity ngayon na i-improve yung sarili mo, mas maging confident, mas maging outgoing, to be more motivated. Let's see your blessing. The Nine of Cups. Ang ganda nito as a blessing because this is happiness, no? And also, pagiging positibo sa buhay, no? Optimism. And this is also wish fulfillment. So, meron kang wish na matutupad ngayong July. Okay? Tingnan natin para saan tong wish na to. In what area of life? Wow, 11th house. 11th house is hopes and dreams. This can also mean mga pangarap mo, yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve. 11th house is also friendship. So, maaring kung meron kang mga plans with your friends, ayan, matutupad, mangyayari yan. And also, kung sa social media, ikaw ay isang influencer, maaring you will gain more popularity, fame. So, mas magiging famous ka, mas magte-trending ka. Let's see, what is the Eight of Swords? Bakit ganito? Feeling trapped. You have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, I think meron kang mga plans na i-explore yung career mo, yung trabaho mo, yung business mo. Pero parang natatakot ka. Huwag ka matakot. Ang magbibigay sa'yo rito ng inspiration at lakas ng loob is yung kaalaman mo. No? Kasi kapag equipped ka sa knowledge, alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo, then definitely there is nothing to be afraid of. Dahil, you know what you're doing, no? You have the Six of Wands. Oh, diba? It's a guaranteed success. Okay? For some of you, Sagittarius, you are coming out of your shell ngayong July. Yung mga bagay na iniiwasan yung gawin, ayaw nyong gawin dahil natatakot lang kayo, pero gusto nyong gawin, magagawa nyo na. And this is going to bring you so much success, especially in career or in business. Okay? Like what I mentioned kanina, you will gain more popularity. Oo. 'Di ba sa internet, if you want, kung gusto mong maging popular ka, sikat ka, ipa-follow ka ng maraming tao, kailangan malakas ang loob mong humarap sa camera, no, to be your true self kasi mas na-appreciate nila yung authenticity. Okay? What is the Page of Swords? You have the Six of Pentacles. Yes, I think you have the resources that you need, no, para i-improve yung sarili mo. Kailangan mo lang talagang i-research ano pa yung mga bagay na kailangan mong matutunan, ganon, para mas magbigay sa iyo ng confidence. Oh, you have the Ten of Pentacles. Minsan kasi naisip natin, kulang yung resources ko. No, kung ano lang yung meron ka ngayon, yun yung gamitin mo. And eventually, upgrade kapag nakakaluwag ka na, di ba? Kasi you have abundance in you na hindi mo pa na-explore para sa iba sa inyo. No? So, what is the King of Wands as an opportunity? Four of Swords. Meron ka opportunity magbakasyon, makapagpahinga, to spend more time with your family. You also have the opportunity na makapag-ipon ng mas maraming pera. Oo, maaring ngayon mas magiging disiplinado ka sa paggastos mo, na kapag di naman kailangan, di mo na bibilhin, di mo na pagkakagastusan. What is the Nine of Cups? You have the Three of Swords. I think, yung mga bagay na na-disappoint ka kasi hindi mo nakuha, hindi mo na-experience, kumbaga babawi ngayon sa'yo yung universe. Ngayong July, ibibigay sa'yo yung nakapagpasaya sa'yo, makakapagpasaya sa'yo. Okay? Because you've been hurt in the past, but there is something new that's going to come into your life na magiging masaya ka. This will be a source of happiness and inspiration para sa'yo. Okay, so let's see. Ano pa? What else do we have for Sagittarius ngayong July 2024? Peace. O ayun, peace of mind. Yan. Isa yan sa blessing mo rin ngayong July na mas magkakaroon ka ng kapayapaan ng isip, lalo na i-release mo yung mga nega energies around you. Hindi mo napapansinin yung mga taong walang ibang gawin kundi punahin ka. You also have sensuality. Okay, so some of you I think ito yung part ng pagiging authentic ninyo, pagiging totoo ninyo. You will express yourself in a sensual way. Ayan, may new beginnings. So, kumbaga this is a sign for you kung lagi ka nakakakita ng butterfly, no? Lalo na kung hindi ka madalas makita ng butterfly. It's a symbol of new beginnings, especially blue na butterfly. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, there is a big change coming in. Tingnan natin kung saang area of life yung new beginnings. Sa iba sa inyo, relationships, business partnerships, marriage, and then sa career. Okay? Sa trabaho, sa career niyo. Focus on love. Look for the good in everyone. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, magiging optimistic, no? Like what I mentioned kanina, mas magiging positibo ang inyong pananaw. Mas bibigyan nyo na ang atensyon yung mga bagay na magpapasaya sa inyo, or yung mga light-hearted na mga events, news, ideas. Iiwas kayo sa mga bagay na magpapastress sa inyo. Receive with love and appreciation. So, syempre yung iba kasi parang ayaw nila na, parang umiiwas sila na may nare-receive sila galing sa iba. Gusto nila sila yung mas nagbibigay. So, syempre, kailangan din, ina-accept mo rin yung appreciation ng ibang tao sa'yo. Hindi yung lagi mong tinatanggihan kasi feeling mo, hindi mo din-deserve. No, dinideserve mo talaga yan. So, be more appreciative sa mga taong gustong magbigay ng regalo sa'yo. Kahit ano pang regalo yan, acts of service, bagay, material na bagay, di ba? You cannot make a mistake. There are infinite possibilities available to you. Yes. Hindi ka mauubusan ng opportunities, Sagittarius. I think, even sa weekly reading ninyo, I don't know kung yun din yung but maraming opportunities opening up sa inyo. So, where is your heart guiding you? Ang tanong na dyan is, saan ka nililid ng puso mo? Alin yung mas gusto mong tahakin? Okay? Na sa tingin mo, mas magre-resonate ka, mas magiging masaya ka, mas magiging fulfilled ka. So, yun yung ifa-follow mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. Bye.